Hi there, students. Gibbous, an adjective, and crescent, an adjective or a noun. Okay, have you ever looked at the moon? I'm sure you have. We all look at the moon. Well, sometimes the moon is a crescent. You see it where you can see less than half of it. It's like two curves joined together. That is a crescent, or crescent as an adjective. And gibbous is when the moon is, you can see more than half of it, so you can see it like this, and more than half is visible. So you have a crescent moon where there's just a strip, or you have a gibbous moon where it's convex. It's got part of it sticking out. So in the moon's first quarter, it's crescent. In the second quarter, it's gibbous. In the third quarter, it's gibbous again. And then in the fourth quarter, it becomes crescent. So it grows and it gets smaller. So gibbous, it means something that's convex, something that is protuberant, something that sticks out, a humpback. So you could have a gibbous whale, a humpback whale, or a gibbous seashell, a shell where there's part of it that sticks out. The poor gibbous hunchback of Notre Dame. Yeah? Okay, so he's got a hump on his back, a lump on his back, and this is the meaning of gibbous. Although I would use gibbous most normally to talk about the moon, a gibbous moon. If you use it to mean hunchback or with a protuberance, that sounds very literary or maybe very technical. Crescent, on the other hand, a crescent moon very definitely in its first or last quarter, but also something in the shape of a curve. For example, a croissant. Have you ever had a French croissant? These are curved and they are crescent shaped. And if you actually look at the word a croissant, this comes from the word crescent. A crescent is the symbol of Islam. For example, the Turkish flag has a crescent and a white star on a red base. Okay, this is the crescent. So a crescent is anything that is a curved shape. I strongly suggest you have a look at Lansdowne Crescent in Bath. It's a beautiful terrace of houses in a curved shape. It's the best of Georgian architecture, but the name of the street is Lansdowne Crescent, because a crescent is like a curved line of houses. Okay, so crescent meaning curved. A saber or a scimitar is crescent shaped. It's a curved shape. Okay, so gibbous, either a gibbous moon, more than half, or something with a protuberance, something with something sticking out, convex. As I said, a gibbous seashell. Yeah, it's got part of it that bulges out. Yeah, it's convex. Okay, so gibbous. I guess he could have gibbous protruding eyes, very convex. They stick out, perhaps. But let's see. I think gibbous most normally just confine it to the moon. Although in a literary context, you could use it meaning protuberance, sticking out, with a humpback. And then crescent, yeah. So anything that's a curved shape, particularly it starts at a point, comes out and goes back. A crescent moon. Okay, let's see. Formality. Crescent moon, crescent. I think I would give this a 5 in formality, maybe 5.5. Use it absolutely anywhere. Gibbous, on the other hand, when talking about a moon, I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. It's technical. When you use it in any other context, it sounds very literary, and I'd probably give it a 7.5 or 8 in formality. So use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing only. Then, as to origin, gibbous comes from Latin, gibbous meaning humped, which is a cognate with kyphos in ancient Greek, bent or humpbacked, yeah. And then crescent, okay, crescent comes from old French. Look at the word croissant. From Latin itself, crescens, from cresco, to grow, to arrive, to thrive. From cre, to grow. Okay, so a crescent moon and a gibbous moon. Yeah, crescent and gibbous. That's quite good. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Crescent and gibbous.